Hello friends, 21 days challenge. Yes, today is 21st day. I'm going to tell you the secret. What's this? Yes, today I'm going to tell the secret. The secret. Take your notebook. Take your notebook. Okay? Last page, okay? Last page of your notebook, okay? Yes. Draw a table. Draw a table, okay? Yes. 23 rows, 5 columns. 23 rows, 5 columns, okay? Draw a table. Did you draw? Did you draw the table? Yes. 23 rows, 5 columns. 5 columns. Okay? Good. From second row, first column. In first column, second row. Okay, second row. Okay, mark 1. Okay, yes. Put the numbers up to 21. Okay, 1 to 21. Okay, put the numbers. Yes, in first column. First column only. Put the numbers 1 to 21. What are these? 21? Good. Days. Okay. Our 21 days challenge. Okay. Days. Okay. What are these? 21 days. 21 days. Watch the lesson. Watch the lesson. Write the homework. Write the homework. Practice speaking. Then, before go to bed, thinking. Okay? Watch the lesson. Eyes. Write the homework. Hands. Okay? Practice. Mouth. Okay? Think, brain, okay? Watch, write, speak, think, okay? Yes. Watch the lesson, write the homework, practice, think, okay? Yes. 21 days. All days. Okay? Did you do? Mark it honestly. Okay? Honest. Be honest. Okay? Example. Day one. Did you watch the lesson? Did you watch the lesson? Yes? Mark it. Okay? Did you write the homework? Did you write? Yes? Mark it. Did you practice? No? Put it. No. Did you practice? No. Okay? Practice? Yes. Okay? Honest. Be honest. Okay? Did you practice? Yes? Good. Did you think before go to bed? Did you think? Yes? Okay? Mark it honestly. Okay? No practice, no cross. Okay? No cheating. Be honest. Okay? Right. Mark it. Okay? Sample. Day 2. Did you watch the lesson? Yes? Mark it. Didn't you watch? Okay? Be honest. Mark it. Okay? Did you watch the lessons? Mark it. Okay? Be honest. Okay? If you watch the lessons 21 days, okay, then here total, okay, count the ticks, okay, count 1 2 3 21, okay, count it, count how many, count only ticks, count only this, okay, no, okay, count only this, okay, right, 21, okay, right, now listen carefully, if your total 21, yes, you can speak English, okay, yes, you watch the lesson, write the homework, practice, think, okay, you are ready to speak in English confidently, yes, that's true, okay, if you watch the lesson, write the homework, practice, think, 21, if your total 21, then you won. 21 days challenge, you won. Okay? Yes, that's the secret. Okay? So, if no practice, no homework, do the homework. Do the practice, think. Okay? Yes. If you practice continuously in 21 days, you can achieve your goal. You can achieve. Okay? Practice. That's the secret. Okay? It's a big secret. Okay? Try. That's the secret. Okay? Try this. Please try this and see the changes. Okay? You can feel the changes in you. Okay? You can feel the changes in you. Okay? Try this. I trust you. You can speak English. You can speak English. Okay? Yes. Best wishes. My best wishes to you. That's it today. And that's it in our 21 days challenge. Okay? So, I hope you enjoy the lessons. You like my videos. You like the lessons. You share the lessons. Okay? You share your knowledge with your kids. You share your knowledge with other friends. Okay? Yes, I trust you. So, it's not the end. It's a beginning to you. It's a beginning to you. Okay? So, this 21 days challenge, it's not the end. It's a beginning. Okay? It's not the end, okay? 21 days, not the end. It's your beginning, okay? Do your best. Do your best, okay? Shine well. Shine well. My best wishes. So, goodbye and God bless you. Be an example.